Learn how to fill ceramic tile joints, grout lines like a true professional with this complete step-by-step tutorial. In this video, I show you the proper method of filling tile gaps, grout joints to achieve a clean, smooth, and durable finish for floors and walls. You will see how to prepare the grout mixture correctly, apply it evenly between ceramic tiles, remove excess material, and clean the surface without damaging the tiles. This technique helps improve the final appearance of your tile installation and prevents cracks, water leaks, and weak joints over time. Whether you are working on bathroom tiles, kitchen walls, floor tiles, or outdoor ceramic projects, these professional grouting tips will help you get perfect results. If you are a beginner, contractor, or DIY enthusiast, this guide will make tile joint filling easier and faster. Watch until the end to discover useful tricks that professionals use for flawless ceramic finishing. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more ceramic tile installation, marble work, and flooring tutorials. In the second part of this tutorial, you will discover advanced techniques for perfect ceramic tile grout finishing like a professional. Watch how to smooth the grout lines evenly, clean the tile surface properly after grouting, and remove any remaining residue for a polished final look. I also share important tips to avoid common mistakes such as uneven grout lines, cracks, weak bonding, or staining the tiles. You'll learn how professionals handle corners, edges, and difficult spaces to create strong and beautiful joints that last for years. This method works perfectly for bathroom tiles, kitchen backsplashes, floor ceramic tiles, terraces, and many other tiling projects. If you want your ceramic installation to look clean, modern, and professionally finished, this step is very important. Keep watching until the end for more expert tile installation secrets, and don't forget to subscribe for more ceramic, marble, and flooring tutorials. In the third part of this professional ceramic tile grouting tutorial, we go even deeper into the final finishing process to help you achieve results that look truly professional and long-lasting. You will learn how to inspect every grout line carefully and make sure all tile joints are completely filled with no empty spaces, weak spots, or uneven surfaces. I demonstrate how professionals press the grout firmly into every gap to improve durability and prevent future cracking, moisture problems, and dirt buildup between tiles. This section also focuses on cleaning and polishing after the grout begins to set. Watch how excess grout is removed from the tile surface using the correct tools and techniques without scratching or damaging the ceramic. You will see how to wipe the tiles properly, shake the grout lines for a smooth and uniform appearance, and bring out a clean final finish that makes the entire tile installation look premium and professionally completed. I also share extra tips for working on difficult areas such as corners, edges, narrow joints, wall tiles, bathroom surfaces, kitchen backsplashes, and floor installations. These areas often require more precision, and using the right technique can save time and improve the final result. Whether you are a beginner learning tile installation for the first time or an experienced worker looking to improve your finishing skills, this tutorial provides practical methods that can be used in real projects. These professional grouting techniques help make ceramic tiles stronger, cleaner, and more visually appealing. Stay until the end to discover more advanced ceramic installation secrets, tile finishing tricks, marble work techniques, and professional flooring tips. Don't forget to like the video, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel for more high-quality tutorials on ceramic tile installation, grout finishing, marble work, terrazzo flooring, and construction craftsmanship.
black, you